Hi, this is JD, and welcome to GetMoreTechier.com. Today we're going to solve the problem of what do you want to do when you want to filter things, like filter out certain columns, or filter out certain rows based on one of the column values. If you've dealt with Excel or you've seen some people do this, you probably see them have these filters at the top where they can do these pull downs and select only rows that have certain types or certain values in certain cells. So we're going to show you how to do that. I added a total at the bottom just because I wanted to show everybody what the behavior was of what happened to a total column when you did some of this filtering. So in order to set up your automatic filter based on all your columns, you want to highlight your entire range that you want to include in the filter. So usually that should be every single cell of an entire grid, an entire rectangle of cells or range of cells. And also notice that I included row 3 here with first name, last name, type of movies, and number of houses that the actor is probably on. And the reason I did that is because that's where the pull downs will show up. Excel will always basically take that value, that first value, and use it to identify your column. Just like you use it to identify your column. It's smart that way. And in fact, if you didn't include this, it would probably ask you, hey, you're not including a row. That's your identifier row. Do you want to do that? Okay, so once we've done that, we want to go to Data, Filter, and it'll do Automatic Filter. There's also an icon at the top that looks like a funnel. And if you just click on that, that'll do the same business. Sorry I didn't include that in the video, but you'll see it. It looks like a silver funnel. It's right on that ribbon top thing, and it'll work just perfectly. So right now, look what happened as soon as we did that. Our range is still highlighted, but it's created a filter based on every single column value. So right now, we could filter on all these first name values, and I'm on a Mac, so it looks a little different than Windows. But if you look here, it includes every unique name: Arnold, Bruce, Clint, Jennifer, Rachel, Ryan. We probably would never filter in this case anyway on first name or last name. But really the big reason I wanted this filter is because I wanted to break down everybody by the type of movies they made, so that I could look at their number of houses they own, or whatever this value might stand for. So then if you go and look in the types of movie pull down where you can do your filter, you have select all checked at first, obviously, and then you just have the 5 types. You have action, independent, romantic comedy, and western. I'm sorry, that's only 4 types. Then you have the total row, because for some reason it includes the total row, which I never understand, but we'll ignore that for now. And what if I just wanted to see how many houses were owned by people who did independent films? I unselected everything else. And then I clicked on independent. See, this select all is the functionality that lets you do that. It takes away everything, or it gives you back everything. I'm going to take away everything and then just pick independent, then close it. So now I get to just see the number of houses owned by the people who do independent films: Julia, Jennifer, and Ryan. Jennifer Lopez owns 7 houses. I bet she owns more. Julia and Ryan probably do too, but who knows. So that's how excuse me, that master filter works. Hope that helped you out. This is JD from GetMoreTechier.com. Thanks a lot.